So what I did is I'm basically using a spoon because I feel a spoon is just so much easier. I use 40 Developer. I'm kind of monitoring it, and I also use the BB2 powder. So I'm lightly putting it on the lace, and I'm gonna go get some foil paper and we're gonna flip it over. Lightly put it on the lace, you guys, lightly. Okay, we're gonna leave this for about 10 minutes because it is 40 Developer and the consistency is very thick. Okay guys, so 10 minutes and then we're gonna wash it out. Our foil paper, I'm going to flip it and put it on the opposite direction, and it's gonna be about 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, so it's been 10 minutes. We're going to wash it. I have the Pantene Gold Series here. I'm going to wash it with this, and then we're going to start making our wig. So I'm going to wash it with this. Okay guys, so I chose to do this frontal, wash it out in the white sink because I wanted you guys to see that it's unprocessed here. Nothing came out of it. I'm going to be using my Pantene Gold Series on the lace of the hair, and I'm just going to scrub it in and wash it out. I'm not going to apply too much force on it because the lace is very tender. Lord, y'all, I can't speak today, but y'all know what I mean. We are just going to wash this out. We're going to just give it some greatness and bring it back to life. So now we're going to be using another shampoo. It's the Garnier Fruity.
It's got the purple shimmer.
Y'all know what I mean. Anyways, I'm going to be using this again onto the lace. This is actually 4 color, so it's specifically 4 color. Like when you do coloring of a hair or anything like that, because we color the lace and kind of want to make it stronger right by the cuticles of that lace.
I did that. I bleached the knots for the very first time. Oh, me.
So what I'm going to do right now is just pluck this hair to my liking. It's on my mannequin head right now, so I'm just going to pluck away. I personally like the hair very thick, but I'm going to be basically going into sections. So I'll be sectioning one piece, plucking, sectioning the next piece, plucking, sectioning the next piece, plucking, until I finish the entire frontal. And just pluck away, as you guys can see right now. Believe it or not, I'm actually holding the camera with my mouth. Like, it's so weird to believe that, but I'm showing you guys what I'm basically going to do, which is just each section and just pluck away. I don't like it too plucked. I like it kind of just, you know, naturally plucked, but not too thick, but not too thin. Now after you've plucked it, I'm just basically showing you guys the bundles. I already sewed in one, and I've sewed in my frontal. I sewed it in from the back so that way it would kind of stay straight when I'm going to go all the way up. Now as you can see, I'm almost at the top. I did the flip over method, and I'm showing you guys how I did it. I just flipped it over, flipped the other one over, and did it like that. I know my nails look orange. I was doing something with some dye, so that's the reason my nails were so ratchet and I was so pissed. But anyway, so you're just going to flip everything over. Be careful because remember, your frontal, depending on how far it goes back, you have to be very mindful of that. But I'm showing you guys right now, like, you cannot see a track. Like, the wefts of this UNice hair is amazing. You cannot see any tracks.